Are you having hair loss or thinning hair? Well, PRP can really help restore your hair growth. And what PRP stands for is Platelet-Rich Plasma, which means we draw blood, we spin it down, and then we take the platelets and we can inject them into areas of hair loss or where it's thinning. And that can help regenerate more hair, thicker hair, longer hair. And the way that platelets work is that they stimulate your stem cells. They don't know what they're going to be in your system to migrate to wherever we put them. So when we put them in your scalp and they realize they're by the hair follicles, they're going to be stimulated to help make those hair follicles healthier and bring them back to life. Now, if you're bald, it's not going to work in bald areas, but if you're just having some thinning hair, that's a great time to do PRP. So I'm going to show you how easy the procedure is. So we've already put numbing cream all over and we have cleaned off the area. So I'm going to just start injecting here in just 1 second. All right, so here we go. I'm going to start right up here, okay? 1, 2, 3. And just little tiny injections of the platelets all over. And I have had hair growth occur even in this area. You know, I just said you can't do it where you're bald, but I do like to do this peak area up here because I have seen hair growth happen even after we have lost that hair up there. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. And we're gonna go right along the edge here. We've got some thinning. And then we're gonna go back. All right, here we go. Backwards. It's just a little injection spot. So where you have hair loss, I can go directly there. And a microneedle is going to be microneedling the platelet-poor plasma everywhere. So it's a nice combination of effects or results. Okay, I'm going to come right here too. This is going to be a little uncomfortable there. And it's important to know that there are different types of centrifuges out there too. So we have a double spin centrifuge, which concentrates the platelets 5 to 7 times. Most med spas have centrifuges that only concentrate the platelets anywhere from 1 to 3 times. So we pride ourselves on getting the best equipment to give you the best possible results. And that's why we do a lot of research on our procedures, so that way we know that we are giving you the best possible treatment. We've got 3 female physicians that all do this procedure, and we have master estheticians, 6 of them at Rejuvenation MD that also do the procedure where we do the microneedling part. So we're gonna go just back up to the front up in this area. That's where he really doesn't care for. So let's go do a little bit more there. And it takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months to see its full results. Sometimes it can take 1 treatment, sometimes it can take 3 treatments. You can't overdo PRP treatments. It's a very natural thing, using your own blood. And you could really put platelets anywhere. So you could do the facial, PRP facial or vampire facial, where we take the platelets and we put them as a mask on your face, and we microneedle them in on your face. And then when the stem cells get there, the stem cells become new collagen and new elastin. So there's lots of things that we can use PRP for. And if you have any questions about those procedures, please let us know. But again, if you have hair thinning, this PRP for hair restoration is a great treatment. So let's bring back some hair, a non-surgical way to do it. So we're going to switch over to doing the microneedling next, and we'll show you how that goes. So this is the microneedling part of PRP, the hair restoration. You can see we're just going over the area of thinning with little microneedles, and there's 9 of them that come down straight down in a very small gauge. Is that hurting much, or is it tolerable? Because so sucks. Rainbows and unicorns is what I actually heard him say. Maybe I'm putting words in his mouth, but yeah, maybe some numbing cream so that way it's a little bit more tolerable. Yeah, it doesn't take that long. And aftercare, really, I tell people not to shower for about 8 hours. Don't wash it off. And don't go swimming for the next day or two. Let all those little tiny channels just heal up. We had really sore for a couple days, but it's been through a lot. To be expected. But one thing I didn't show you is we actually had put his platelet-rich plasma all over his scalp before we started microneedling. So platelet-rich plasma I used to inject, and then the rest of the serum is platelet-poor serum. And although it's platelet-poor, there's still some platelets in there, and good growth factors and things like that, so why not use it? Like and follow us on social media. Most importantly, come in to see us at Rejuvenation MD.